morning, you guys. Well, only getting maybe 1 hour sleep last night. I am not going to the gym as planned. I'm so tired. I can't even think straight. So my plans are just getting like scratched today. I just couldn't sleep. I don't know. I just have too much on my mind. I just cannot shut it off and go to sleep. It's just making me ill. Seriously, I just can't stop. So I'm just waiting for Doug. He's going to get coffee and take him to work and go home and have a cup of coffee and write out what I want to do for the day and write out what's been going through my head all night long so I could stop thinking about it. And maybe I can grab a nap or two today. I don't know. I just hope my mom, I'll send her to daycare. Hopefully she'll see the doctor and get something for her cough. And figure out a plan. I'm waiting for the roofer to come give me an estimate today and figure out a plan on how to pay for the roof and how to pay for the yard and prioritize, I don't know. Hopefully I can do the yard first and put the roof off for a while. Maybe they can tarp it up or something until I get more money, because I just have no idea how much it's going to cost for it all, and it's not like I have thousands of dollars in an account somewhere that hidden somewhere. But just the stress of it all is just making me sick, seriously. And I don't know. But on another hand, we had an awesome day yesterday. We had a really great day. And I'll get back to you later. Bye. So anyway, you guys, yesterday we had a great day. I can't get you adjusted here. Yeah, we got to play outside a little bit. It was freezing though. We couldn't stay out there very long. And we played some bubbles. And the kids went out earlier and they did, the Easter egg hunt. So they did that for a while and they had fun doing that. And that's about all. I mean, eating wise, I was pretty good. I didn't go out of control. I just had some veggies and stuff, but I did have some sweets. I had like the Rice Krispie treats. We made those and I kind of overindulged on those. So maybe that's why I didn't sleep. I was on a sugar high. Who knows? But whatever. I will. I'm straightening things out today, so I'm going home right now, and I'm going to plan my menu for the week because I haven't done any of that, and I am going back to my eating before I started the potato cleanse, which is, it was plant-based anyway, but I'm going to try and incorporate more raw foods, get into my tanny mode. So that's about all, and let's see. Oh, and Amy from Fruity Foodie, I'm not sure if you're watching, but I did get your barbecue rubs, and they are freaking amazing. I cannot wait to try them. I smelled all of them and tasted all of them. So, I can't wait to try them. I'm sure they are going to be amazing on my potato wedges and my fries, and even the roasted veggies in the grill or even in the oven. So I can't wait to try those. So I just wanted to let you know that I did get them, and I love them. So I guess that's it for now, and I will get back to you later on. I mean, I was planning on going to the gym today, but like I said, with 1 hour sleep, I can't even function. So we'll see what happens. So anyhow, I will let you guys go, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye.